Hey everyone, my name is Tyler and welcome to Island 3D. Today I'll be unboxing the new Rook LDO kit. You can get the kit from Fabrico. They just got them in stock earlier this week, which is awesome. And the kit goes for about $349, and I will have that linked in the description below. I'm super excited about this kit because it looks like a really high quality and easy to build Core XY 3D printer. So if you are new to 3D printing or new to DIY 3D printers, it might be the perfect kit for you. I am an educator myself, and the reason I got the kit is because I am assessing if this is something that I could potentially build with some of my students. So I'm looking forward to see how this build goes. Enough talking, let's get to the unboxing. Excuse the background noise of 3D printing going on. I have my Prusa MK4 here printing some parts for the upcoming Rook build. Here we have the LDO Rook Kit, just sent to me by Fabrico. I am going to take a look at what comes in the kit. I did just open the box, take the packing material out, and take a peek inside at this, but I haven't touched anything else yet. So let's see what they have. So inside of this documents folder, it has the bill of materials with everything that comes in the LDO kit. Right here we have a box from Big Tree Tech. Let's take a look and see what's inside of here. It's probably the main board. Yes, so here is our Manta M4P in here. It doesn't come with a duck, but so it looks like some JST connectors. Put that back in here. Here is the Rook build plate. I like that they have the Rook branded logo there. Although really, this is just the same bed that comes with a V0, so they could have been using the same boxes for that, I believe. But here's the heated build plate. Looks like it's PCB heated, which I did not know and is very nice. And that is a really nice build plate there. Textured on both sides with the LDO and the Rook logo on the bottom. Nice and thick. Very nice. Looks like we have some hardware for the build right here. The springs for the bed, as well as some nuts for the bed. Here is an electronics box. Some cable sleeving. Here's a cable kit. It's got 2 blower fans, an axial fan, bed thermistor, ZN stop cable, power cable, bed extension cable, PCF fan cable, and a PH connector. You can see some of the stuff in there. I'm not going to take it out yet. Oh, great. It comes with a micro SD card, so you don't need to worry about sourcing your own. It looks like these must be the stepper motor drivers, TMC 2209s, 4 of them from Big Tree Tech. Says that this is a power cord. Let's see if it is really just that boring. Yeah, but I've never seen a power cord so nicely packaged. Here we have a Big Tree Tech CV1 V2.2. So this will be the Raspberry Pi replacement that you put on the Manta to run Clipper. Excuse my voiceover on this. I messed up the audio here. So here we have the BMG clone by Triangle Labs. This is for the Bowden extruder on the Rook. So as you can see, that's there. And down in the bottom of the box, it has all the hardware and the rest of the pieces you need to put that extruder together. Looks like this is the PSU for the build. The AC adapter. you don't already know, this version of the Rook does not have like a Meanwell power supply. You need the bolt-on on the side. You use that power brick to provide power to the machine. So here is the hot end, the Triangle Labs hot end. Take this out and see what it looks like. Have all the cables and things you need for the install in there. It's the hot end. Or here's the hot end. The heater, heat break is in there. Some motion and fasteners. Let's see what's in here. So that is a bunch of fasteners. They are all individually packaged and they have labels of what each fastener and screw is. It doesn't come in a nice, like one of these that I got from my Fabrico Mercury 1.1 build kit, but you really get enough of these that you probably wouldn't really need it for the Rook here. So in here for the linear rails for the bed, bearings there. We have some feet for the bottom of the Rook. Some zip ties, Gates belts, Capricorn tubing, and a nice sticker. Who doesn't love stickers? There are our pulleys and the bearings here. So here are the linear rails. Moment of truth, are they pre-greased? This does not look like they're pre-greased, so you're gonna have to clean and grease the linear rails by yourself. But seeing as they're LDO, hopefully they have a grease port, because that will make the maintenance easier in the future. They seem like nice high quality rails there. Here are the linear rods. Those are all in one box. And last but not least, here is our motor kit. I'm very curious because I haven't seen one of these kits yet. I know that a lot of the other ones come with motors that have logos on it. No, see, I was wondering if it would have a Rook logo on the stepper motors. It doesn't look like it does. Obviously that's not necessary, but it would have been a cool little add-on for this from this kit. But at least you know they're all LDO, so you're getting the best. And here's all the cabling and even some labels for the different cables so you know which goes to which axis. So that's really nice. I'm super excited to get into this build once all of my parts finish printing. So if you want to see a potential build series of the Rook, feel free to subscribe. Also, if you want to see a build series, Canrog87 has a really great series that he produced that I'll link to below. I'm also planning on releasing a build series on my Fabrico Mercury 1.1 Ender 5 Plus conversion kit. So if that's something that you're interested in, feel free to subscribe. Down below in the description, I have linked to the Rook's printables page, as well as Rolohaun 3D's, the creator of the Rook's website and Discord, which you should join if you're thinking about making one of these printers for yourself. If you want to support Rolohaun, I'll also link to his Patreon and have a link to his YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer them all.